we're going to be doing a chill unboxing of the Logitech Combo Touch keyboard for the iPad. This one's going to get attached to the new normal iPad, the new one though. And today's chill unboxing, I'm going to do my song Vibe Juice. It's a very nice, summery, chill song that's definitely going to allow you to pass the time, experience the product with a bit of joy, because it's a nice love song about feeling someone's energy. So I hope you enjoy it. One thing I've been asking people to let me know in the comments below what drink, what flavour you think this song would be if it was a drink. So definitely let me know in the comments below, as well as obviously what you think of this product. If you want to get it, if you don't have it, if you do have it, I want to know what you're thinking, yeah? So I'll chat to you guys in the next video. Other than that, no more talking, just the music and this unboxing in a bit.
Yeah, your energy was excellent. I watched you sleep in the satin sheets, heavy head, without doubts in your size or any stress, without cries or emotion or awkward sense. Sleep tight, my dear, don't worry, this is fine wine type love. I revised this touch, assigned by God, applied with much of the nicest flourish, and this kind of courage is mine. I'll voyage on a climb for this, but I never chased gold on a Midas thing. If I stray from the path that's enlightening, you should slide in my cup of an igniter thing. Yeah, tech connect ahead and share the intellect. No regrets if we produce it, this is better yet. I know our fruit is something worthy for a healthy step. Between the lines I make a piece of you that treble clef, yeah. Step to the right if you like me. If you wanna slide, do it by me. I got the vibe juice, it belongs to the one I'm assigned to. Step to the right if you like me. If you wanna slide, do it by me. I got the vibe juice, it belongs to the one I'm assigned to.
Come to me, take my hand and come to me. Let's be free, let's be free. You get to lay your head today. Give you the space for free. It stays with me.
I'm trying to see if you're down for the cause. Despite all the flaws, would you slide me applause for the change that you're doing? Rise to the lions that prey on our cause. Fight for the righteous but question our thoughts. I'm so sure that we're good, can I reassure you? God's love on our side, you're the one I warm to. If you're sick, cold girl, I wanna be in your shoes. Whether I'm in Strasbourg or still at home with you. This life has some serious truth. I'm shy sometimes but barely in your view. Sleep on the job, that was never my move. But if I get alarms, I'ma put it on snooze. When I feel rested in your arms, only you can separate my heart. There might be a time to take advantage, but I think your stance is purely hearted. Step to the right if you love me. If you wanna slide, do it by me. I got the vibe juice, it belongs to the one I'm assigned to. Step to the right if you love me. If you wanna slide, do it by me. I got the vibe juice, it belongs to the one I'm assigned to.
Come to me, take my hand and come to me. Let's be free, let's be free. You get to come to me, take my hand and come to me. Let's be free, let's be free. You get to lay your head today. Give you the space for free, it stays with me.